How's it going? So we got a simple one. This is how to cancel a membership. So typically we'll get an email that says that they have a request for cancellation, which will say that the reason that they canceled, and it will also say the date that they were canceled if they're on a membership or anything like that. So basically I'm going to come in here, I'm going to type the person that I want to cancel's membership. You can tell that I have a membership here that says homeschool, so I'm going to select that, and then right over here where it says current, there's going to be a drop down menu. So there's a couple things that we can do. You can hold it, but we're canceling the membership, so we're going to go drop, not delete, right? Actually drop membership. So when I do drop membership, this is going to pop up and it's going to say drop reason. So you're going to just kind of come through here. End of class pass, doesn't fit their schedule, distance from home or work, injury, family issue, whatever. I have a bunch of these down here, and you can also add some extra with this little edit button right here. You select the affected date, if there's a cancellation fee, and then save changes. Let's say Army deployment, $0 cancellation fee, save changes. Now I have to select the effective date, which is today, and then membership is dropped.